Even the sky burns to remind us of passion.
Freedom lives in moments we almost miss.
Dreams leave footprints, even in shifting sands.
Some seasons live forever.
Moments stretch when the heart is open. Moments stretch when the heart is open.
Nature paints without hesitation.
Sometimes the path reveals itself.
Imagination lifts the impossible.
Every blossom begins as a dream.
Every echo remembers a story.
Here, even the rivers carried stories in their flowing heart.
Peace begins where the heart grows quiet. Past and future meet where reflection begins. Where roots are strong, life blooms endlessly. Hidden places hold deep peace.
Nights here whisper stories only the heart can hear. We rise with the same stars that guide the night.
Beauty arrives where you least expect.
The universe awakens in every tide.
Calmness is a secret only nights can teach.
Light gathers when hearts believe.
Magic lives in the rhythm of falling water. Every wish begins with a small flame.
Every sunrise writes a new chapter of peace.
Even the smallest moment shines.
Every silence carries a message.
Every step is carved with patience.
Beauty survives every winter.
Hope travels wherever the wind goes. The sky carries emotions that words cannot hold.
History never truly rests.
Cold days also carry warmth.
Some paths guide us home, even when we don't see the way.
Hope is the light that guides every tomorrow.
Courage is found one step at a time. Every dawn gives us wings again.
Silence teaches what words cannot.
Even ice holds the warmth of hidden stories.
Above doubt, the sky is always clear.
The mountains whisper to those who listen.
Every journey reveals its own wisdom.
Rest is the quiet anchor of the soul.
Every ending glows with a new beginning.
Truth reveals itself when the world becomes still.
Clarity comes when the mind flows freely. Some worlds bloom only in imagination. Some beauty lives only in the night.
Hope travels far, even on the smallest light.
Follow the light that only you can see.
A story of new beginnings.
A new day paints the sky with hope.
Tomorrow waits for those who dare to look beyond.
Every wave carries a story. And in the quiet, we find ourselves again.
Life flows like a river, ever moving, ever changing.
Even in the emptiness, life leaves its mark.
Every step is a story waiting to unfold.
Peace is found in the quiet places within us.
Every breeze carries a hidden message.
Some dreams flutter into life when least expected.
Where water falls, life begins.
Nature speaks in colors only the soul can hear.
Peace lives where hearts choose simplicity.
Dreams riz when the heart believes.
To fly is to trust the sky.
Our journey never ends. It only begins again. In strength, we rise above challenges. Strength is born in the heart during the storm.
Every journey takes us somewhere we've never been.
Even in chaos, beauty lives. The universe dances when we dare to look up.
Cold nights create the warmest memories. Even in darkness, beauty finds a way to shine. Some moments fall like rain, unforgettable.
Every journey begins with a single brave step.
And with hope, we continue our journey.